Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are here with another one, but before we get into her bust down, yeah, I know I'm sitting up here looking bald-headed, small-headed, but bust down, join our support group, and let's get into this unit. With this unit, Sarita, okay? So I actually got this unit from wigtypes.com for $30. I believe this unit goes for $30. I have her in the color 99J. So this is an Outre lace front unit. I did another Outre review of one of these like bob units, and this has the nice long part. This is supposed to be a 2-in-1 style, so I'm kind of excited about her. Okay, so this is her fresh out the pack, y'all, and I'm feeling it already. Okay, I'm loving the parting space. Look at that. That's all parting space. Let's get into this. It has 2 combs in the front. Okay, let's take a look at that curved part. Is it a curved part? Yeah, it's a little curved. Okay, 1 comb in the back. Adjustable straps for kind of forever. Now, Sarita's hair texture is wonderful. The color on this unit is wonderful. I'm gonna just snatch this lace off. I'm not ready. Already, I'm not ready. Why am I so excited, y'all? I'm not ready. Okay. So this is the unit fresh out the bag. I've done nothing to her on our heads, okay? I'm looking like a 60s housewife, and I'm feeling every moment of it. Very Mad Men, okay? Now, we first need to get this together. That ain't supposed to be like that. You see that humpity bump in the back? Let's just add a little bit of heat and bring her on down a bit. Just want to make sure I'm on the right side of the part. Oh, this is why. There you go. I'll try. Y'all, who is Outre talking to? Who they talking to, huh? Who y'all talking to, Outre? Because whoever she is, keep her there, okay? Y'all done came through. You got me looking like I'm about to bake some chickens. You know what I mean? Drink me a little cocktail and breastfeed at the same time, because that's what they used to do back in the day. I'm not saying that I would do that, but I'm just saying back in the day in the 60s, that was a thing. That was a thing. So I'm feeling like I belong. Like I've arrived. Like, y'all, this hair color. So what we're going to do is let me get the front of this together so we can, there you go, get her out of here. Because you want to, look at all my hair sticking out. We don't want that to be looking like that. So let's go in and just darken this up too. We just want it to blend right. Especially when you got a different color. When it's black hair, it's easy to just be like, whatever, my hair's sticking out. But when it's colored, you want to make sure that it's like seamless. All right, Outre, so we're sold, okay? It's not up for debate. We get it. Y'all did not come to play with us. We are sold. We're sold, okay? The only thing I would do differently, I would have wore a darker cap, But since she on here now, we ain't even gonna worry about it, okay? But this style can be worn 2 ways. So she's supposed to be able to be flipped out, which as you see her now, okay, flipped out. And she comes flipped out. Okay, so this is style number 1. Turn around. Okay. All right, and let's see if we can get her to do something different. So I guess you just go through and brush her in. Okay. We're just gonna brush her in. Are you guys seeing how I'm doing that? To give her a different look. Okay. And we have look number 2. You guys, Outre did not come to play. This unit, again, is going for just under $32, okay? All the hair girls are still sending out units despite the fact that Corona is alive and well, okay? So if you're getting packages, guys, please be safe. Please make sure that you're cleaning everything and washing your hands and all of that. Because it might not even be that they were intentionally trying to harm anybody, but you guys. So this is look number 2. Okay. Look number 2. Outre. Outre. All right, y'all. I don't really have nothing else to say. I done came through. Outre done gave us 2 looks in one, all right? She done came through and shown us she is not here to play this spring, okay? Despite whatever is... Let me get this out my face so I can really see what I'm talking about. Despite whatever is going on in the world, Outre said the girls is going to slay, okay? They're going to slay. We're going to be out here looking like collard greens and cornbread, okay? So if you have not already, bust down, subscribe to our channel. Tell me what you thinking. This is a $32 unit. She is so worth it. It's disgusting. It's disgusting. I'm like thinking about having a wig sale soon. And one of the things is like, I'm a hoarder. You know what I mean? Like, let's be for real. If you're a girlfriend of mine, you know, I always got all the things. All things girl I have, right? And I can feel you. We all girlfriends. But if you like being in my house girlfriend, you know. So, I've been thinking about having a wig sale. But now I'm getting like, what wigs I'm going to sell? When you like them all, what do you sell? Come on. Look at this. I don't have nothing else to say, okay? I'm gonna go clean my kitchen like a good wife, all right? You know, and I'm gonna see you beautiful people later. I hope you all are very safe at home and it's cozy and you got all the drinks and all the food. And I love y'all, and get into this unit, all right? Get into this unit, Lenny. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.